To add a calendar to your Hostinger website, follow these steps to display booking availability, events or schedules. Choose a calendar platform. Use a third-party calendar service like Google Calendar, Calendly or Talkify that allows embedding. These tools offer customizable calendars that integrate easily with websites. Create your calendar. For Google Calendar, go to calendar.google.com, create a new calendar, and add your events. For Calendly, set up appointment types and availability. For Talkify, design a visually appealing calendar with events. Get the embed code. On Google Calendar, click the Settings gear, Settings, select your calendar, integrate calendar, copy the embed code. On Calendly or Talkify, look for the Share or Embed option and copy the HTML iframe code provided. Add to your Hostinger website. Log into your Hostinger HPanel and go to the website builder. Navigate to the page where you want the calendar. Click Add Element, Embed Code or HTML, then paste the embed code into the box. Save and publish. Click Save and publish your site to make the calendar live.